Start.
Okay, good morning guys. So I will teach Engineer Iqbal in how our PPM system. So first, he will click this one, C works.
C works. Okay.
After click the system, you just go in the preventive maintenance. Okay.
Okay.
But then PM generation.
Hmm.
Then you will write this one start from October 1, so you write 10/31 2024. So view PM.
Hmm.
Wrong, mali. Wrong date. Yes.
View
View
PM.
PM. Now after view PM,
Hmm.
open PM work order.
Hmm.
Click. Do you want to generate and open PM work? Yes.
Hmm. This is automatic generate.
Yes. But then just wait here.
Hmm.
The print I want now print PM.
PM work order.
I want. So now I will start. So I will check how many pages of the PPM that generate. You can click here.
Okay.
320 pages. So divide to how many? 32 160 ppm. Okay, so now I will start printing.
Almost यानी कि 60 page 50.
What?
We have 6 technicians. How many we are dividing?
Dividing, I will print now by 50 page. This is too much. Start from 50. Alas, starting. Alas. Thank you for watching Iqbal Fusion channel. Hope you always subscribe here channel, and please click the notification button and